Hello, excuse me, do you need some help?
Oh, hi. Yes, please. I can't reach the top shelf.
No problem. Which item do you want?
I need that box of cereal, the blue one up there.
This one? Let me get it for you.
Yes, that's the one. Thank you so much.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help with?
Actually, could you also pass me the bag of rice next to it?
Of course, here is the rice.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You're welcome. These shelves are really high.
Yes, they are. I'm not very tall, so it's hard for me.
I understand. I'm tall, so it's easy for me to reach.
Lucky you. Do you shop here often?
Yes, I come here every week. What about you?
I come here sometimes, but not every week.
Do you live close by?
Yes, I live just around the corner, and you?
I live about 10 minutes away by car.
Oh, that's not too far.
No, it's not bad. I like this supermarket.
Me too. It has many good products.
Yes, and the staff are friendly.
That's true, and it's always clean here.
Do you usually shop alone?
Yes, I do. My children are at school now.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
That's nice. How old are they?
My son is 8 and my daughter is 6.
They must keep you busy.
Yes, they do, but I love it.
That's great. I have one son. He is 12.
Oh, that's wonderful. Does he like shopping with you?
Not really. He thinks it's boring.
My children say the same thing.
Kids are funny sometimes.
Yes, they are. Do you cook a lot at home?
Yes, I like to cook. I'm buying things for dinner tonight.
Oh, what are you making?
I want to make pasta with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook every day?
Almost every day. Sometimes I order pizza.
I love pizza. My kids do too.
Maybe we all love pizza.
Yes, I think so. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pepperoni. And you?
I like cheese and mushrooms.
That's a good choice. Do you need help with anything else here?
No, I think I have everything now. Thank you again.
You're welcome. It was nice to talk to you.
It was nice to talk to you too.
Have a good day and happy shopping.
Thank you. Have a great day too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, Lisa, is that you?
Tom. Hi, what a surprise to see you here.
Yes, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am doing well. Just shopping for some groceries. Are you shopping too?
Yes, I am. I need some things for dinner tonight.
That's great. What are you going to cook?
I want to make pasta with vegetables. What about you?
I am making chicken soup today. It's my favorite.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook often?
Not really, only sometimes. How about you?
I try to cook every day. I like making healthy food.
That's nice. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just 5 minutes from here. And you?
I live a bit further, maybe 15 minutes away. Do you come here often?
Yes, this is my favorite supermarket. It's always clean.
I agree. The people here are friendly too.
Yes, and they have fresh fruit and vegetables.
I see you have tomatoes and carrots in your basket.
Yes, I need them for my pasta. Do you need any vegetables?
Yes, I need some potatoes. I will get them soon.
Do you want me to show you where they are?
That would be helpful, thank you.
No problem. The potatoes are over there next to the onions.
Great, thank you, Lisa. You always know where things are.
I come here a lot, so I remember. Do you need anything else?
Maybe some bread. Do you know where the bread is?
Yes, it's at the end of this aisle.
Perfect. I love fresh bread. Do you eat bread every day?
Not every day, but I like it with soup or salad.
Good idea. Are you shopping alone today?
Yes, just me. My family is at home. What about you?
I am alone too. My wife is working today.
Oh, how is your wife?
She's good, thank you. She likes her new job.
That's nice. And your children?
They are fine. My son started school this year.
That's exciting. How does he like school?
He likes it a lot. He has many friends.
That's wonderful. My daughter is still at home. She is only 3.
She must be very cute. Do you bring her shopping sometimes?
Yes, sometimes. But today she is with her father.
It's nice to have some time alone, right?
Yes, I can shop faster and think better.
Do you want to have a coffee after shopping?
That's a good idea. I have some time.
Great, there is a cafe near the exit.
Yes, I know it. Their coffee is good.
Wonderful. Let's finish shopping first.
Yes, I just need some cheese and milk.
I need eggs and some apples.
Do you like green or red apples?
I like red apples. How about you?
I like green apples. They are a little sour.
That's true. Maybe I will try green apples today.
Good idea. It's nice to try new things.
Yes, you are right. Do you cook with apples sometimes?
Yes, I make apple pie. It's my daughter's favorite.
That sounds tasty. Maybe you can share the recipe with me.
Of course. I can write it down for you in the cafe.
Thank you, Lisa. You're very kind.
You're welcome, Tom. It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too. Let's go and finish our shopping.
Yes, let's go. I'm happy we met today.
Me too. See you at the cafe in a few minutes,
See you soon, Tom.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
I want to return this toaster.
I see. Is there a problem with it?
Yes, it stopped working after one day.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. When did you buy the toaster?
I bought it 2 days ago.
Did you use it only once?
Yes, I used it yesterday and it broke.
What exactly happened?
It turned on, but then the bread did not pop up.
Did it make any noise or smell?
Yes, there was a burning smell.
That is not good. I understand your problem.
Can I get a new one or a refund?
Let me check our policy. One moment, please.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you for waiting. You can choose a refund or exchange.
I think I want to exchange it for a new toaster.
Of course. Do you want the same model?
Maybe I want a different one.
No problem. Would you like to look at our other toasters?
Yes, please. Can you show me where they are?
Of course. Please follow me to aisle 5.
Thank you.
Here are the toasters. We have many brands.
Which one do you recommend?
I like this silver one. It is popular and easy to use.
Is it more expensive than my old one?
It is a little more expensive, but it has good reviews.
How much is it?
It is $35. Your old toaster was $30.
So I need to pay $5 more?
Yes, just $5 extra for this model.
Okay, I will take this one.
Great choice. Let's go back to the counter.
Thank you for your help, Emma.
You're welcome, John. Do you want to pay by cash or card?
I will use my card.
Please tap your card here.
All done.
Perfect. Here is your new toaster and your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. But thank you for your kindness.
You're very welcome. I hope this toaster works well for you.
I hope so too. If it breaks again, can I return it?
Yes, you have 30 days to return or exchange it.
That's good to know.
Please keep your receipt just in case.
I will, thank you.
I hope you have a nice day, John.
You too, Emma. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there.
That's okay, no problem at all.
Are you sure? Did I hurt you?
No, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
I really should have been more careful. I was looking at my shopping list.
It happens to everyone. Supermarkets can be very busy.
Yes, you're right. There are so many people today.
Maybe it's because it's Saturday. Many people shop on weekends.
True. I usually come in the mornings, but today I am late.
Oh, I also like to shop early. It's quieter then.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every week. It's close to my house.
That's nice. I live nearby too.
Really? Which street do you live on?
I live on Oak Street, just 2 blocks from here.
Oh, I know Oak Street. It's a lovely area.
Thank you. Do you live close to here as well?
Yes, I live on Maple Avenue, just around the corner.
Maple Avenue? That's a beautiful street.
Thank you. I like it there. The neighbors are friendly.
That's good to hear. Friendly neighbors are important.
Yes, they are. By the way, are you shopping for anything special today?
I am just getting some groceries for the week. And you?
Me too. I need fruit, vegetables, and some milk.
I always forget something when I shop.
Me too. That's why I make a list.
Good idea. I should do that more often.
Lists help a lot. I would forget half my things without one.
Do you cook often at home?
Yes, I try to cook every day. I like to make simple meals.
That's great. I enjoy cooking too. It's relaxing.
What do you like to cook?
I like making pasta and soups. They are easy and tasty.
I love pasta. My favorite is spaghetti with tomato sauce.
That's delicious. I make that a lot too.
Maybe you can share your recipe with me one day.
Of course, I would like that.
Thank you. Do you live alone or with family?
I live alone. My family lives in another city. And you?
I live with my sister. She's younger than me.
That's nice. Do you get along well?
Yes, most of the time we sometimes argue, but it's normal.
That's true. Brothers and sisters sometimes argue.
Yes, but we help each other a lot.
That's important. Family helps when you need it.
Very true. By the way, do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at the bank on Main Street.
Oh, I know that bank. I walk past it every day.
Maybe I've seen you before.
Maybe. I work at the bookstore near the park.
I love bookstores. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like meeting new people and reading books.
That sounds perfect for you.
Thank you. Do you like working at the bank?
It's okay. It can be busy, but my coworkers are nice.
That's good. Nice coworkers make work better.
Yes, they do. So, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Not really. I just want to relax and maybe watch a movie.
That sounds nice. I might do the same.
Maybe I will read a new book too.
That's a great idea. I should read more.
Books are wonderful. They help me relax.
I agree. Well, I should finish my shopping now.
Yes, me too. It was very nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Sorry again for bumping into you.
Really, it's okay. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. You as well. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hello, excuse me. Can I ask you something?
Hi. Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am looking for the milk. Do you know where it is?
Oh, yes. I think the milk is near the back of the store.
Thank you. I am new here, so I don't know this supermarket.
No problem. Are you shopping for the first time here?
Yes, it is my first time. I just moved to this city last week.
Welcome. How do you like the city so far?
Thank you. I like it, but it is very big. Everything is new for me.
It can be a little confusing at first. Where did you live before?
I lived in a small town before. It was much quieter.
I see. The city is busy, but it has many nice places.
Yes, I am excited to explore more. Do you shop here often?
Yes, I come here almost every week. It has good prices.
That sounds great. Is the staff friendly here?
Yes, they are very helpful. If you need anything, you can ask them.
That's good to know. Do you always buy milk here?
Yes, I like the fresh milk they sell. There are many brands.
Oh, I didn't know that. Which brand do you like?
I usually buy the one with the blue label. It tastes good.
Thank you for the advice. Is it low fat or whole milk?
It's whole milk, but they also have low-fat milk if you want.
I think I will try the whole milk. Do they have small bottles?
Yes, they have small and big bottles. I usually buy the small one.
That is perfect. I live alone, so I don't need much.
That makes sense. Do you cook a lot at home?
Not really. I am learning to cook. I want to eat healthy.
That's a good idea. Cooking at home can be fun.
Yes, I hope so. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it. I like to try new recipes.
That's nice. Maybe I can ask you for some easy recipes next time.
Sure, I can tell you some simple dishes.
Thank you, Emily. By the way, do you know where the eggs are?
Yes, the eggs are close to the milk section.
That's very helpful. I am making an omelette tonight.
It sounds delicious. Omelets are easy to make.
I hope I don't burn it. I am not a good cook yet.
Don't worry, just use low heat and watch it closely.
Good advice. Do you put cheese in your omelette?
Yes, I love cheese in my omelette. You can find cheese near the milk, too.
Great. I will look for it. Is there any brand you recommend?
I like the local cheddar cheese. It melts well.
That sounds tasty. I will try it. Do they have bread nearby?
Yes, the bread is in the next aisle on the right.
Thank you so much. You know this place very well.
Yes, I shop here a lot. If you need help, just ask.
You are very kind. I am happy to meet someone friendly.
Thank you, Tom. It's nice to meet you too.
Maybe we can have coffee one day and talk more.
That would be nice. I like meeting new people.
Great. I will see you here again, maybe next week.
Yes, I come here every Sunday morning.
Then I will come on Sunday and say hello.
Perfect. I hope your shopping goes well today.
Thank you, Emily. Have a good day.
You too, Tom. Good luck with your omelette.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.